You know the feeling? You've got your email open, Spotify is playing in the background, you're referencing a Google Doc, and you just click one more browser tab, and boom, everything grinds to a halt. You blame your Wi-Fi, you curse your computer for being old, maybe you even give it a little shake. But what if the real culprit is something you've probably heard of, but never truly understood? And what if fixing it is way simpler and cheaper than buying a whole new machine? The secret villain behind your computer's lag is almost never your internet connection. It's a tiny component called RAM. Now, don't click away. Forget the nerdy name, random access memory. I'm going to give you a simple image that will change how you see your computer forever. Picture this. Your computer is like a busy chef in a tiny kitchen. Every app, every tab, every video call is an ingredient or a pot on the stove. The key to keeping everything cooking smoothly, that's where RAM comes in. Think of RAM as the countertop space in that kitchen, the spot where you prep everything you're using right now. If it's too small, you're constantly shoving stuff into cabinets and pulling it back out, which wastes time and creates chaos. So why does this matter? When you've got too little of this counter space, your machine starts borrowing from slower storage areas, like pretending your fridge is extra workspace. Result? Lags when you switch tabs, frozen video calls mid-sentence, or apps crashing just when you need them most. It's like trying to host a dinner party with only a card table. Everything spills over. Now, how do you know how much you need? It depends on your daily grind. If you're just browsing the web, checking emails, or streaming shows, a basic setup might cut it. But throw in office work, school assignments, or video chats, and you'll want more room to breathe. For gamers or folks editing photos and videos, even bigger is better. Think upgrading from a snack bar to a full island counter. And here's a pro tip. Not all computers let you expand that space later. Some are locked in, like those sleek laptops where everything's glued down. So, before you buy, do a quick check. Can you add more down the line? If yes, start modest and scale up as your needs grow. Oh, and don't get bogged down in the jargon like DDR4 or 3200 megahertz. It's basically about generations and speed. Newer is faster, but for most of us, having enough total space trumps chasing the latest speed demon. This is just one of the simple ideas from the book, Buy the Brain, Not the Brand. It breaks down all the confusing tech, RAMs, CPUs, storage drives, and more, into simple analogies just like the work desk. It's packed with real-world examples, deeper dives into troubleshooting, and tips that go beyond the basics. If you're ready to finally feel in control of the technology you use every day without needing a computer science degree, you'll want to check it out. The link is down in the description. Stop letting your computer frustrate you. Go find out what's really going on.